This is my smoke pipe, vape pipe review. Comes with a USB cord and a smoking device here. Put your pods in through here, and it comes with 2 pods. Mine just happened to not work quite right. Pods pop in like this. You hear it click. Light should light up. This one was purchased brand new. Put the pods in. As you can see here, you can see down in there, they were filled up and they just leak everywhere. Everything's closed on them, but mine just happened to leak everywhere. And it doesn't take a charge. So with that being said, as you can see, it just leaks just everywhere. Just gets all over everything. They're empty now. They actually leaked all out in the box. This is how it came from the factory. I had no luck with it. Hopefully you guys had luck with yours, but I didn't with mine at all. So not too happy with it. Just was wasted money on this. It's the SMOK Fit Kit. Don't know. Anyways, that's my video on this here. Thank you for watching.